Hi there, I'm Irk, and this is my channel Get Irked, where I teach you how to invest for the long term. In this episode, in honor of Get Irked's 3rd year anniversary, we're going to talk about the top performing stocks of 2021. And before we get started, if you could hit the like button and subscribe, that would really help me out. Thanks so much. I'm going to review my top 5 stocks, and it's actually 6 because there's a runner-up, and you'll see why. And I'm going to review them from the least performance to the greatest performance since August 8th, 2020 to August 6th, 2021. First up, in the number 5 spot, we have IDEXX Laboratories, ticker symbol IDXX. This is the ultimate play on the humanization of pets. IDEXX Laboratory is responsible for all of the tests and even the software that veterinarians use throughout the country. Since August 8th of 2020, IDEXX Labs is up 79.48%. Year to date in 2021, it's up 37.08%. In the number 4 spot, we have NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. If you're not familiar with this company, you've either been hiding under a rock or you're not a gamer at all. NVIDIA is the main manufacturer of the best gaming chips for computers and PCs. In addition to that, it has a huge artificial intelligence or AI division, as well as a focus on servers and autonomous cars. Since August of 2020, NVIDIA is up 81.85%. And year to date, NVIDIA is up 56%. My third top performer is Square, ticker symbol SQ. Square is the makers of the little devices that small businesses can use to process credit cards. But over the years since its inception, Square has evolved to offer small business loans and to develop the Square Cash app, which is hugely popular with millennials and Gen Z consumers. Since last August, Square is up 86.86%. And year to date, Square is up 26.4%. My second best performer, and the reason I had to add a runner-up to this list, GW Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol GWPH, but don't bother looking it up. It was purchased this year and is no longer investable as a stock. GWPH went up 101.15% since last August and was purchased by Jazz Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol JAZZ, on May 5th of this year. Even being out of commission for the past 3 months, GW Pharma was up 90.63% at the time of its purchase at $220 a share. And my number 1 outperformer since last August, Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. They make electric vehicles as well as power systems for houses. Since August of 2020, Tesla is up 140.62%. But in a strange twist of fate, year to date in 2021, Tesla is actually down 0.93%. Now let's talk about that runner-up. That basically means all of the previous positions except for Tesla move up a spot since GW Pharma is purchased. My runner-up, the new number 5 spot, Nike, ticker symbol NKE. Nike is up 69.64% since last August. And year to date, Nike is up 22.15%. Now that we've gone over my top performing stocks, let's do a quick report card since it's been a year since last August and see how my investments in play portfolio has performed in comparison with the S&P 500. Since August 8th, the S&P 500 is up 32.38% and my investments in play portfolio is up 33.04%, narrowly beating the S&P 500 by 0.66% over the same time period. Now, I know I regularly say that I beat the S&P 500, and I did here, but I don't really count that as a win. What's happened since last August was a rotation out of growth stocks into cyclicals, and my investments in play portfolio was a little offsides. I've been spending a lot of 2021 fixing it, and it looks like going forward we'll continue beating the S&P 500. But for a few points of comparison, let's compare how the investments in play portfolio has compared to the S&P 500 since the inception of Get Irked in 2018. If you look at the beginning of 2018, which was an extremely positive year, the S&P 500 is up 64.98%, while my investments in play portfolio is up 105.62%, a difference of 40.64%. As we go forward, I will of course continue to report on how I'm performing in comparison with the S&P 500. Thank you for watching. Please leave any ideas for videos in the comments, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.